Hey Casper. Hello pretty girl. Hello pretty girl. Hello. Hello Casper. Yeah. Here's Casper, she's just had a little nap. Pretty girl. And I think she tries to say, hello Casper, pretty girl. Who's a pretty girl? Pretty girl, aren't you? What? What is it you're saying? You pretty? Pretty girl. Her eyes, you can't really tell in the video, but her eyes are getting lighter by the day by the seams of it. I think I'm going to miss her eyes. Her baby black eyes. There's Casper just waking up, being noisy as ever. Chatting away. As you can see, she's excellent. She loves hanging upside down, don't you? Anything she can get on, she will do and hang upside down like that. I think she's meant to be a bat. Won't you? And she's so good with her balance and so confident, aren't you? You're a little cheeky monkey. Oh, ring your bell. There she is, just expecting a Scarlet's order any minute now. So I'll get her out once that's come. Haven't we? Say goodbye. Just backing away a bit, see if she'll talk anymore. There's her big cage. Say bye-bye, Casper. Say goodbye. No? Oh. So there's a little update of Little Miss Casper. Or Little Madam, as I should really call her. Aren't you? You are a madam. You're a madam, yes you are. You're a madam. Good girl, clever girl. There she goes.